If you're thinking about buying BioSteady Blood Optimizer, you may want to wait a minute because the marketing promises sound impressive, but the real picture is more complicated. BioSteady Blood Optimizer is promoted as a supplement that can help support blood sugar balance, healthy blood pressure, and even weight management, which immediately raises questions because products claiming to solve multiple major health concerns at once often deserve closer inspection. Looking at the formula, some ingredients may have general wellness benefits and may support metabolism or overall health. But that does not automatically mean the complete product will deliver the dramatic results suggested in promotions. One of the biggest concerns is the limited scientific evidence proving the supplement itself works as advertised, since many claims seem based on individual ingredients rather than clinical testing on the finished formula. Another point to consider is that many positive testimonials appear mainly on official sales pages, where reviews are naturally more selective and controlled. Some buyers report satisfaction, while others mention little to no noticeable change after consistent use, which suggests results may vary significantly from person to person. There is also confusion around phrases like "made in an FDA-approved facility," because the FDA does not approve dietary supplements the same way it approves medicines. That wording can sometimes mislead consumers into assuming stronger verification than actually exists. The website also uses common urgency tactics such as limited time discounts, countdown offers, and bulk purchase deals, which can pressure people into quick decisions. In some online discussions, users have also mentioned concerns related to billing, recurring charges, or cancellation issues, so reading the checkout terms carefully is important. Overall, BioSteady Blood Optimizer does not appear to be an obvious scam, but the bold promises seem stronger than the available proof. It may offer some support as a basic supplement for certain users, but expecting it to dramatically fix blood sugar, blood pressure, and weight issues would likely be unrealistic. If you are considering it, approach with caution, realistic expectations, and always prioritize proven medical advice first.